So today we're gonna show our school supplies that we buy earlier. That is a cockroach. Maybe that's okay. No, that is our that we buy. That is. It's so heavy. This first thing we have is our shoe rug. So this guys, this is mine. This is mine. It's from your shoe. Do you know that, guys? Yes. And our second we have is this. We are grade 4. Yes. Guys, today we're grade 4. Tomorrow is tomorrow. We will school. No, we are grade 4. Yes, guys. The cockroach is that. It's okay. We have so many notebooks. 20. This 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This. Look. This is our notebook. We are 10 mine and 10 Daniel. This red. Yes, red. It's on the list. It said red notebook. These are subjects. We have Mathematics, Science, Filipino, AP, English, MAPE, TLE. Yes, we don't need this. That is not our subject. And now next we have is our pencil case. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. What's inside? It's not the Gundam. We have this tape. We have tape. Next. Sorry guys. Next, what's that? Let's see. We have envelope. This envelope. It's plastic envelope. Yes, we need this. We don't need this, guys. Yes. We don't need this. Yes. This we don't need that because the sir give it to us. So we bought that. This that is red ball pens. Red pens. We thought we are red ball pen. No, we're gonna use our pens, but not. We're still gonna use our pencil. We are still pencil on grade 5. We are ball pens. And now next. Maybe this is so many. We cannot carry it. Yes. Maybe next. We have our expanded envelope. Expanded. It's red. Yes, teacher said it's red. Yes. So we read it out. And now, where's our we're gonna show you what's the we don't need that. We don't need this. We don't need that. Now, this is too many. It is too many grabbing stuff. That's okay. Let's see. We broke it. And next we have our sharpener. Okay. Sharpener. This is mine, the yellow. This is mine, the blue. We have our sharpener. Now next, what is in here? Let's see of our ruler. Yes, guys. What the? Wrong one. What is 3? No, I know this from our uncle. Yes. So it's 3. We need this. Now next. And then we have our pencil. Pencil, guys. Pencil. We don't use pen yet. And next is glue. Yes. We need glue. This is the blue one. We have one more glue. It's right here. It's so hard to grab. This is the small, yes, the glue sticks. And this, we have 2 glue. It's $25. It's $25. And now it's cheap. Now next, we have crayons. This guys, crayons. We have 75. Yes, 75 pesos, guys. Pesos, not dollars, because we live in the Philippines. We're the same. Next is the ball pen. Is over here. And now next, let's go. Now next, we have more. We have these color papers. Mine. We have color paper because teacher said we need color paper. Not color. We have our envelope. It's wrapped with plastic envelope. Because teacher said again, this. We open it. There's some more envelope inside. Now so it's what is their umbrella inside? No, this is our price. This is our price. Don't show this. This our price is so many stuff. Yes, but no. This is from Jollibee. This is from Jollibee. We go yes to Jollibee. Our price is $513. It's so expensive. It's 513 pesos. It's so expensive. That's okay because we are full. So our cash is 4,000. For cash is now our change is 487. That's okay. And now that's it. Don't forget our shoe. Now our envelope. No. Put this in here. And now we have more. Where is our scissor? Sorry, this number. That's all. Let's go. Look at our hair, guys. We don't need this. Look at our hair. Oh no! Shout out! Wait, guys. Go stay there. Okay, guys. We're going to shout out. Guys. Oh no. And our mommy is using our phone. That's okay. Yes. Don't forget our bag. This is my bag. It's color green. it says Draven on it. So this my bag. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go to school. We're gonna put all of the stuff in here. It's color blue, guys. This color green. And now, let's hope you like the video. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe. Please, thank you for reaching 500. Thank you for reaching. So we reached 500. So we're gonna give you a ball here, guys.